I wanted to invite you to my kitchen, and today together we will make something very super simple and delicious, crunchy, colorful. Let's do layer salad. Let me show you what I have. Our base is chicken. I already baked yesterday and right now it's ready to go. You can also use bacon if you want, or any meat you like. Here we have onion, red onion, pickles, celery stalk. For our dressing we are going to use mayo, sour cream. We also need ketchup, keto ketchup. Then we have pumpkin. I use these ingredients to make it more fall recipe. Then red bell pepper and lettuce. You can use any lettuce you want. And to make my chicken, I use very nice spice. This is super gyro from Primer Palette. I will post the link to this spice below the video, and also the recipe will be below the video if you want to make it again. And I really recommend to use this spice because it makes this chicken taste special. Once you try, you will know what I am talking about. Oh, remember, use a glass container because we are going to make layers, so our salad will not only taste delicious, but it's gonna look very nice, so you can serve it at the party, or you can make it for yourself for lunch. Now we just need to follow the layers. Ketchup. We can make keto-friendly ketchup if you want. I can prep some recipe for you, but if you want to get it from the store, Primer Kitchen made a very nice ketchup which is keto compliant. I am using spicy version, but they have also regular one. Okay. So let's add ketchup. And you know, it's very hard to find keto compliant ketchup at the store, so if you don't want to look for another one, this one that I just show you is perfect. And what I love about this recipe, this salad, is very versatile. So we can use any ingredients we like and adjust to the season. So that's why I am going to use pumpkin for our fall. Next layer, I am going to add onion. Now it's time for pickles. Pumpkin. I forgot to tell you that I already baked this pumpkin. And all ingredients need to be cool. Celery stick. Wow, look at those colors. My eyes are eating this salad right now. And I love celery because they're super crunchy. We have different texture in this salad. Okay, bell pepper. This salad, it really looks like it's made for fall because we have all the fall colors. I think my dish is a little bit too small, but that's okay. Let's make dressing. We should start with the dressing to sit a little bit in the fridge, but we can do it right now, it's not a problem. I am adding to my mayo sour cream, and all we need to do is just like mix together. Let's put it on our salad. If you are sensitive to dairy, you can skip the sour cream. And we can also play with different dressing. The ranch dressing also would be really nice here. And the last ingredient, our lettuce. Our salad is ready, and you see how easy and quick it was to put all these ingredients together. It's perfect dish for lunch, for party, for any occasion, and what I love about it that you really can make it in a few minutes. Thank you so much for watching my video, and if you would like me to make more recipes for you, please comment below the video, and also put thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will be happy to create more content for you. Thank you, and see you in the next one.